Chapter 16, Confidence Intervals. First, let me explain this example. A random sample of n measurements was selected from a population with unknown mean and known standard deviation. Calculate a 95% confidence interval for mu for n equal 49, x bar equal 28, sigma equal 28. What is the confidence interval? Confidence interval is a range of estimates for an unknown parameter. So what is the unknown parameter here? Population mean, which is denoted by mu. So when sigma is known, confidence interval is x bar plus or minus z star sigma over root 10. X bar is the sample mean, sigma is the population standard deviation. It is given here. N is the sample size and Z star. What is the Z star? Z star is the critical value. All information given but Z star. So how do we find the Z star then? You see we have confidence level 95%. When we know the confidence level, we can find the critical value using Z table. I explained it in a previous video. Once we identify all informations, we can plug the numbers to the confidence interval. So you see here there are two parts. First one is x bar, which is the sample mean, and next one is z star sigma over root 10. Here, what is the z star sigma over root 10? As a number here 7.84. Actually, z star sigma over root 10 is the margin of error. If you know the margin of error, you can find the confidence interval x bar plus or minus margin of error. So, the lower bound of the confidence interval is 20.16 and the upper bound is 35.84. Now let me explain the same example but for the different confidence level. You see here confidence level is 99% now. So again sigma is known, therefore confidence interval is x bar plus or minus z star sigma over root 10. And all the informations are the same but confidence level. When we change the confidence level, the critical value also change. We need to find the critical value corresponding to this 99% confidence level using the Z table. Once we have all information, we can plug to the confidence interval. Then here you see the margin of error. So what is the margin of error? 10.32. Once you know the margin of error, you can find the confidence interval x bar plus or minus margin of error. For this problem, lower bound is the 17.68 and the upper bound is 38.32. Then let me compare this. For about both examples, x bar, sigma and n were the same. And confidence interval we use when sigma is known. Yes, when sigma is given, we should use x bar plus or minus z star sigma over root 10. Right, the first interval we calculate for the 95% confidence level. So, the lower bound was 20.16 and the upper bound was 35.84. Then we calculate the 99% confidence interval. Lower bound is 17.68 and the upper bound is 38.32. What is the meaning of this? Yes, you know the width of the confidence interval. Then this is the confidence interval for the population mean mu. So mu supposed to be in between these two numbers. So that is the meaning of the confidence interval. So consider the second one. You see the width of the confidence interval. And here also mu supposed to be in between these two. And you see the width of the first confidence interval that is for the 95% is less than that of 99% confidence interval. It tells us when we increases confidence interval, width of the interval increases, and when we decreases confidence level, then width of the interval decreases.